We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, I was keep mentioning if the price break this support, what we can expect the price to drop sharply, and this is what we get. Okay, anyway, we move to higher time frame, and we start with daily chart. Again, since the price was within this move, we mentioned the price cannot break the support. That's why we mentioned any down move we can expect to be a sharp. This is what we get, and even we mentioned the possibility of the price drop to 0.0059. Okay, because I put this line, we mentioned we can expect the price drop to this line, which is 0.0059. As we can see, the price even drop and break and move lower. Okay, anyway, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can look for trade, and based on forward chart, if again we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for this flat relative to this, and this is what we expected. Even internally we had a flat for this move. We mentioned we can expect this one turn to a flat in relative to this for one more drop, and exactly this is what we get. Okay, anyway, this is what we have been looking for, and now we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not, because even the price, when the price was within this, we mentioned if we get any reversal we can look for trade. Okay, first of all, if we put this one in relative to this, we want to see what we have based on indicators. We don't see any reversal point. That means we don't have the divergence. And now the things is whether we, because this one, if we cannot call it ABC. If it was, we had the divergence, we could expect that any reversal can break the stop. Okay, but beside that, we should know that maybe we get a reversal and this one, but this is not the one is going to break the stop. Maybe we get the price can reverse and this one tend to be a correction. All right, before we get the next move, what I want to say is that we're looking for buy. Okay, if we get any buy, we need to know again, maybe this one can tend to be a correction since we don't have a ABC. Okay, but before that, I mean, before we talk about big correction or anything else, we want to see how deep it can go. Still, we can expect this one drop a bit more, but from now, we're looking for reversal. If we wants to look for buy, we are, I mean, for me, I'm not interested to look for sell unless I get the confirmation that this one can drop some more. Okay, and the best thing is from now we look for buy, and if we move to 1 hour chart, since we have this shadow, still we can expect the price drop a bit more, and still we can expect to get the correction here similar to what we get here. If anyone wants to look for sell, if they get the correction, they can look for short-term sell. But if we want to look for buy, we need to get the reversal, at least a sharp move like. But right now we don't have it, and we cannot jump into the trade right now because still we can expect this one drop a bit more before we look for the next trade. Okay, and how about if we refer to the indicators, we don't see any divergence and any reversal point. That's why we have to wait. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell, and as we can see the price is dropping. The best thing is we wait. If we get the correction, then from there we see whether the correction can give us a buy or sell setup, then from there we can make a decision. And as I mentioned, if we want to look for reversal, we need to get at least a sharp move flag for continuation. Okay, if the price start to correct, we cannot look for buy. Still we can expect the price to drop. That means if we get a correction similar to what we get here, what we had here. Okay, anyway, as I mentioned, we don't have any trade setup. It's better we wait, and in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.